public transportation. It's the lifeblood of many cities and towns. Buses, trains, subways, these systems connect us all. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-timer, public transport offers freedom and independence. It's an affordable way to explore, commute, and connect. Plus, it's better for the environment. But what about accessibility? Everyone deserves equal access to transportation. That's why understanding accessible features is so important. Ramps, lifts, and clear signage make a world of difference. These features ensure everyone can travel comfortably and safely. Remember, accessible transportation benefits everyone. It creates a more inclusive and welcoming society. So let's dive into the world of public transit and discover how to make it work for you. Accessible public transportation is more than just ramps and lifts. It's about creating a seamless and inclusive experience for all. Let's explore some key features designed to make your journey enjoyable and stress-free. First up, ramps. These gentle slopes provide easy access for wheelchairs and mobility scooters. Look for ramps at designated bus stops and train station entrances. They're usually clearly marked and well lit for visibility. Next, we have priority seating. These designated seats are located near doors for easy access. They offer extra space for passengers with disabilities, seniors, and expectant mothers. Look for signs or ask a fellow passenger for assistance if needed. Finally, tactile paving is essential for passengers with visual impairments. These textured ground indicators provide guidance and warnings. You'll find them at the edge of platforms, near crosswalks, and other crucial points. Clear communication is key to a smooth public transportation experience. Don't hesitate to ask for assistance or clarification. Drivers, station staff, and fellow passengers are there to help. When boarding a bus or train, clearly state your destination and any specific needs. For example, you can say, I'm going to Main Street and I need a seat near the front. If you require assistance with a ramp or lift, politely ask the driver or station attendant. For those with hearing impairments, many transportation systems offer visual announcements and displays. Look for screens displaying upcoming stops and important information. You can also communicate in writing if needed. Remember, your comfort and safety are paramount. Don't be afraid to advocate for your needs and ask for assistance. Effective communication ensures a positive and enjoyable journey for everyone. While public transportation is generally safe and reliable, it's essential to be prepared for unexpected situations. Delays, crowds, and unfamiliar routes can be challenging. Here are some tips to navigate these situations with confidence. Firstly, always check the schedule before you travel. Allow extra time for your journey, especially during peak hours. Delays can happen, so it's best to be prepared. Download the transportation app or check the website for real-time updates. Secondly, be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded spaces. Keep your belongings close and be vigilant of pickpockets. If you feel unsafe, trust your instincts and move to a well-lit area or seek assistance from staff or security personnel. Lastly, familiarize yourself with emergency procedures. Know the location of emergency exits, alarms, and first aid kits. In case of an emergency, remain calm, follow instructions from officials, and assist others if it's safe to do so. Riding the rails. A step-by-step guide to train travel. Train travel offers a scenic and relaxing way to navigate cities and beyond. Whether you're a seasoned commuter or a first-time rider, here's a step-by-step guide to make your train journey smooth and enjoyable. First, purchase your ticket in advance, especially for long-distance travel. You can buy tickets online, at station kiosks, or from ticket agents. Be sure to validate your ticket before boarding the train to avoid fines. Next, locate your platform and track number. These are clearly displayed on electronic boards and printed schedules. Listen for announcements and double-check the train's destination before boarding. Once on board, find your assigned seat or choose an available one. Store your luggage in the overhead compartments or designated luggage racks. Be mindful of other passengers and keep belongings out of aisles. Hopping on the bus, your guide to accessible bus travel. Buses are a convenient and affordable way to get around town. For passengers with disabilities, accessible buses offer a comfortable and inclusive riding experience. When waiting for the bus, stand at a designated bus stop with a clearly visible sign and bench. Have your fare or pass ready to show the driver. Signal the bus driver with a wave as it approaches. Once on board, look for priority seating near the front of the bus. These seats are clearly marked and offer extra space for passengers with disabilities. Use the handrails when boarding and exiting the bus for stability. If you need to request a stop, press the button or pull the cord located near your seat well in advance. This gives the driver ample time to stop safely. Exit through the front or rear doors as indicated. Taxis, door to door. Convenience with a personal touch. Taxis provide a convenient door-to-door service, ideal for short trips or when other transportation options are limited. When hailing a taxi, look for a lit sign on top of the vehicle. Clearly state your destination to the driver and confirm the fare if it's not metered. Request a specific route if needed. For passengers with disabilities, accessible taxis are available upon request. During the ride, sit back, relax, and enjoy the personalized service. Feel free to engage in conversation with the driver or enjoy the view. Tip the driver for good service if you wish. Real-life journeys, real-life solutions, public transit in action. Let's bring these tips to life with some real-life examples. Imagine a student with a visual impairment navigating a bustling train station. By following the tactile paving, they can confidently reach their platform. Next, picture a senior citizen using the priority seating on a crowded bus. This designated space allows them to travel comfortably and safely. Finally, consider a traveler with a mobility scooter requesting an accessible taxi. This door-to-door service grants them independence and ease of travel. These are just a few examples of how accessible public transportation empowers individuals to live full and independent lives. By understanding the available features and resources, we can all make the most of public transit. Signal Health Group, championing accessible transportation for all. Organizations like Signal Health Group are committed to promoting accessible transportation for everyone. They advocate for policies and initiatives that improve accessibility for individuals with disabilities and seniors. Signal Health Group understands that accessible transportation is not just about convenience, it's about equity and inclusion. They work tirelessly to ensure that everyone has equal opportunities to access healthcare, employment, and social activities. by supporting organizations like Signal Health Group, we can create a more inclusive and accessible transportation system for all. Their efforts pave the way for a brighter future where everyone can travel with dignity and independence. Your journey awaits. Embrace the world of public transportation. Public transportation opens a world of possibilities. It connects us to people, places, and experiences. By embracing accessible features and practicing safe riding habits, we can all enjoy the many benefits of public transit. Remember, communication is key. Don't hesitate to ask for assistance or clarification. Drivers, station staff, and fellow passengers are there to help. So, next time you're planning a trip, consider hopping on a bus, train, or taxi. Embrace the journey and enjoy the ride.